Welcome to HappyAddons. In this video, we'll show you how to use the SVG Line Draw widget of HappyAddons. It allows you to animate the drawing of SVG paths or outlines of the shapes or icons you add to your website, creating a hand-drawn effect. But for this, you need the Elementor and HappyAddons plugins on your site. Once these plugins are ready, open the Elementor canvas, create a section, and place the SVG Line Draw widget on it. By default, it may not animate. To make it animate, go to the Draw Behavior option and you'll get 3 options. They are Draw on Viewport, Draw on Scroll, and Draw and Hover. The animation will work according to the behavior option you select. For example, if you select the Hover behavior, the line drawing will animate when the cursor hovers over the icon. Choose the option you like. After that, come to the SVG type on top. If you select Font Awesome, you can select any icon from the vast library. If the custom SVG code is selected, click the SVG2 code option. You'll be taken to a new page. Upload an SVG file from your local drive. Automatically, a code will be generated. Copy-paste the code on the SVG code box. Now, over your cursor on the SVG file and it will animate. But for today's tutorial, we'll use the Font Awesome SVG type. Next, you can change the size and alignment of the SVG file. To turn off animation, disable SVG Draw. And to turn on animation, enable the option. If the reverse animation option is enabled, the SVG file will animate reversely. If a starting point is selected, the SVG file will animate from that specific point. We already talked about the draw behavior before. You can change their behavior anytime. How fast the animation should play, specify it in the draw speed option. Remember, larger value means longer duration. Next, enable loop to animate repeatedly. If the fill color is enabled, 2 more options will be added in the Style tab by which you can fill colors in the SVG file. Now come to the Style tab. You can set a stroke color and a fill color. If the after draw stroke color is added, it will appear after the stroke color is displayed. The same rule applies for the after draw fill color. Using the stroke thickness option, you can increase the thickness of the strokes of your SVG file. After that, like any other widget, you can add a background color, border type, and border radius to this SVG Line Draw widget. So the widget exploration is done. Let's now create a web section with the widget. Open a page, create a section, add a title and description for the widget using the title and text editor widgets. Stylize their typography, alignment, color, and font size. After that, create few columns using the container widget. Then place the SVG Line Draw widget on a column. Add an SVG file, set its size, select a draw behavior, set a color and thickness. Then, add the icon box widget below the SVG file. Delete the icon, give a title to the box, customize the description, and stylize its font and color. In the same way, keep adding the SVG drawline and icon box widgets to the other columns. You can use the copy-paste stylization feature to save a good amount of time. Hope you can do the rest yourself following the guide we have shown you so far. Once everything is done, save the changes and preview the page. You can see it's working well on our end. Thus, you can use the widget to present your content nicely. Thanks for watching our tutorial till the end. Don't forget to subscribe us.